Okay, you see kind of what do you see what I'm showing you, right? Do you see what I can see here? Okay, so there's, for the sewer, right? Tree, tree, tree. I'm gonna say this is just some retaining wall, right? Look, it's a little off there. But look can you see how perfect that is? Like, I don't want to fall off here. I'm just kind of hanging the phone over. Yeah, see that? Now watch, this Albertsons here. This is at Gilbert and Malvern here, right? Now the other side, I'm suspicious about the other side too, because it forms a perfect right angle. It's elevated and the people built on top of it, right? I'll show that in another video. I can't really, but for today's video I wanted to show you this right here. Okay, so the Albertsons is probably like